Welcome to Crafty With It, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a couple of Etsy orders that I need to make with my DTF printer. So I'm going to show everybody how to make a gang sheet on Canva. You will actually need the premium membership of Canva to be able to do this. So let's get started. Now in Canva, and I do have the premium version. Right here, we are going to hit create a design, and then we're gonna do custom size. Today I'm going to do the 22 by 80, and you want to make sure that's in inches, 22 by 80 inches, and it will bring you up to this screen, and this would be your gang sheet. Okay, so then you're gonna go to uploads, and I've already have these in my system because they're on my Etsy account. So I just need to find them. And they want an 8-inch one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually edit this. And then we're going to crop it. And we want to save as much space as possible. You want to get it as close as possible to the design so that you're not taking up too much more space than what you need for each design. So then we're going to take the corner of it and we're going to shrink it down to the width at 8 inches. Give or take a couple. Sometimes you can get it right on, sometimes you're off just a little bit, which is fine as well. And it looks like that's where it wants to stay. Okay, so I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to put it closer to the right hand side because that's where my printer, when it switches, once it reverses, because it's going to reverse all on its own when you go to print it with your DTF program. But anyway, so I'm going to put it on the right hand side. I'm going to make a couple copies because I need 7 of them. So I'm just going to hit duplicate, and I'm going to put this as close to the next one I can. And I'm gonna just keep duplicating the image until I have 7. You want to put it as close to it, but you also want to make sure you've got enough space to be able to cut each design without infringing on the other one too much. Okay, so there's 7. And then I need to print out a granny. I think it's a granny. Give me 1 second. A granny clause. So I'm going to scroll down until I get to that. And there's my granny. And I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to edit the photo and crop it. And get it as close to the design as possible without touching it, because you do not want it to cut any of your image off. And then I'm going to make this a 10 because it is for a 2 extra large. t-shirt. And there you have it. And then you just keep going all the way down. Um, let's see. Like this one right here. Do I have to refresh my page? There it goes. Okay, so this one's pretty close. If you look, it's nice and close to the design, so I am just going to shrink it down to 8 because I'll sell these at my craft show that I go to, and I have one coming up on November 11th. And then I would just continue on and fill up my whole thing. Okay, so let's say it's completely full. We're going to go over to the right hand corner and hit the share button and then the download button. We always want it to download as a PNG, and then we're going to hit transparent background and then hit download. And then I'll bring it up for you guys to look at. Okay, so this would be your gang sheet. So if you choose to order a gang sheet and you want multiple images for different orders that you have, or you feel that you're going to need it for certain orders that you want to do, this is how you would do it. Again, you will need the pro version of Canva to be able to do this. So it's pretty easy to do in Canva. Again, you will need the pro version of the Canva to be able to do it. It's pretty simple as long as you already have your images in. If not, you can actually download your images from your computer, whichever you prefer. But that is making it a gang sheet out of Canva. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thank you.